Welcome back, guys. We're gonna use this Cristiano Ronaldo sticker to transform this wall into this masterpiece. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In the last video, we were installing a single color cutout deco onto a wall. But in this video, we are going to be focusing on installing full color stickers onto a wall. This is different from the cutout sticker which we installed in another video. So in this case, we are focusing on a full color large format sticker which is going to be installed on a large surface area. In this instance, we actually needed 2 people to do the work, but you can do it by yourself if it's not so big. So without wasting more time, let's jump straight into it. I hope you have found some golden nuggets in this video. We have tons of awesome content coming right up, so why don't you like and subscribe, hit the notification button so that you'll be notified the next time we drop a new video. If you'd like to share your thoughts, please drop them down in the comments below. So yeah, see you next time.